Hello crafty friends, I am so excited. Amanda with Crafting with Amanda. I have my Misti out, but any stamp platform that you have, I have found a solution that has been something that I struggle with, because when I use my Misti, it's normally when I'm doing a lot of stamping and I have a hard time holding the ink pads for a long time, and especially not getting ink on myself. Like this word family, it's long enough that if I try to make sure that I drop the pad, or I end up getting ink all over myself. So then you stamp this. My letter was a little off, sorry. So you stamp that and life is good, you can move on. But for me, holding those inks has been a big issue. So what I have found is, I was talking to my friend Cindy and we were talking about what could hold these. She had her Garmin for her car suction cup and got it, and it attached to the stamp pad. So I ordered these from Amazon. I will have a link for these in the video description. And I bought the 12 pack because I know that I'm going to be giving these away to people. But they're for camping tie downs. And the other thing that I've learned with the close to my heart pads, if you have at least 3 but 4 of them on a stack, this can just be here and you can pick it up and use it. So if I just have the one and I put this on, and it's this easy, literally center it, clamp it down. It doesn't, see how it doesn't come off, but if you have the set of 4, there's enough magnets and weight to hold it down. And then you can just go right along and you can hold this however you want, but my hands are clearly out of the ink. So then stamp this. Got my 2 colors going, move these to the side maybe. I have my sticky sheet here. They do release, as far as the suction cup will come off a little bit over time, but it's not something that I've had to really worry about. I'm able to get multiple iterations of a stamp, and it doesn't take long to reattach the stamp sets. Just pop them open, shut them back down, and you're good to go. That's it. Tell me how genius it is. So they come in a pack that looks like this. It has a tie down. That's what they are for, is camper tie downs. So for me, I don't need any of that stuff. I just kind of like to hold this. And I will say that there's some on the market that are bigger, and for this size, less, like 2.5 or less. And it also works on the older ink pads. So if you have some of the older ink pads still like I do, you can open those, put it in, and these it actually holds longer for. So this you can just go to town with. Sorry, it's a little, but this you can just stamp with if you have one that doesn't come apart. But you can see the benefit of the new pads, but it will work on the old pads as well. So happy shopping. If you do purchase through Amazon, I get a little thank you for cluing you into this brilliant idea. Happy crafting.